We're going to walk you through how to create a post on a channel in Microsoft Teams in the conversation area. There is a start a new conversation option that should always be towards the bottom of your screen. And you can click in here and just start typing. But the best method for you to do is to click this little A with the paintbrush. It's called Format. And the reason why I would like you to start doing it that way is because this has many more options. It allows you to add a subject so it's easier to find a conversation later on because you'll know what it'll be titled. It also gives you options to change your text and add bullet points and things like that across the top. And a few more things that we'll get into as we go. So I'm just going to call this a test conversation. What I like about these things is that instead of sending email and having reply, and you have to go through 17 different emails, all of this can be done in one stream, which I'll show you here in a bit. I can start typing whatever I want to here. Another option that makes this nice to do it in the formatter is if I hit enter, here I am able to create another paragraph to keep typing in. If I would just use the little box without the formatter, as soon as you hit enter, it posts it. I am able to add file attachments. I can choose to attach a file, and then it asks what I want to do. I can upload from my computer and go find a file. Double click on it. You'll see it's loading here. And it pulls it up into there. I also have options. If I click the smiley face, that is emojis. So if you want to put an emoji on there someplace, you can type in an emoji. You can add a GIF. So you can search for something in a GIF or just grab one and drop it in there. Click on it and your GIF comes in there. And they also have stickers. The button next to the stickers here is a Meet Now button. And what that will do is it will start a video call, kind of like a Skype call, but it'll put a notification on your channel letting people know that there is a meeting happening, and they can just click on it to join it. You'll be able to save it and do things like that. We'll get into that a little bit in another video. When you are done posting, you've got a little arrow here at the end. You send it, and it will show up as a post. If you want to reply to this conversation, you do not come down here, that is starting another new conversation. There is a reply option right below where I click reply, and now I can reply to whoever I want. In this case, if I just hit enter, you see it posts. But under another reply, I can choose the formatter and have that option available again.